tell us about your father.
Well, my father was brought up in the village. He never went to the school, so he had no education. He was growing up not knowing about the world outside or the beyond his village. But there was a chance for every Nepalese to join the British Army. Once you join the British Army, they are known as the Gurkhas. So my father was recruited in the Gurkhas, and that gave him a chance to see the world outside Nepal and make his life a bit better than average Nepalese. So my father, not having any education, joined the British Army, learned to read and write, and improved his way of life. That meant we, as his offspring, had a good chance of education.